Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Hampton.
And I'm pharmacist Karan.
And we have one question for you today.
Can we talk? So tell me, what is our topic for today, Tony?
Karan, with so many of my patients being excited when they learn they can reverse many of their chronic medical conditions by reducing carbs, but are concerned that when they change the way they eat, they won't have enough tasty food options, especially when they have kids. Maybe we should share one of our favorite breakfast options perfectly suited for a low-carb breakfast.
I hear the same concerns when I'm working at the pharmacy, but one easy way to spice up breakfast while eating low carb is to eat waffles made with the right ingredients, and we call them
chaffles.
The name comes from the combination of cheese plus waffles, since its major ingredients are only cheese and eggs rather than the traditional waffle batter.
You know, as a low-carb doc, I love chaffles because one traditional waffle could easily have 15 to 40 carbs depending on its size, while you may only have 1 to 2 carbs with a chaffle, not to mention the sugary syrup that most of us use when eating waffles.
Chaffles are also fun since there are so many low-carb toppings, from crushed berries to whipped cream. Or you can be creative as long as it's low-carb. So Tony, let's make sure that you have a few recipe links in the video notes.
Great idea, Karan. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss future episodes of Can We Talk with the Hamptons. Stay safe and healthy.